Are you tired of spending countless hours and dollars on website design, only to end up with a mediocre website that fails to convert visitors into happy customers? Tired of waiting days or weeks for your website to be designed? Are you tired of building websites from scratch, wasting countless hours and resources? Of course, you can outsource and pay several $100s to expensive freelancer for an average website creation and design, but not to mention the time and hassle of dealing with a bunch of expensive freelancers. Fact, building a stunning website from scratch can be time-consuming, and optimizing it is even harder. Deadlines always get pushed, designs don't match expectations, costs spiral out of control. So, if you are in the same boat, I have great news for you today. What if there was a way you don't just create stunning websites, but clone the websites of your most successful competitors and instantly elevate your online presence? What if you could instantly clone any website, including all its content, images, videos, databases, and even templates without any coding or design skills? Imagine if you could clone any website, landing page, funnel, or blog in just a few clicks and start generating profits immediately. Introducing CloneBuddy AI, groundbreaking AI app that lets you clone, migrate, and host any website online, including its entire contents, images, videos, databases, pages, themes, and even templates in less than 60 seconds. With CloneBuddy AI, you can say goodbye to the complexities of web design and hello to instant website creation. Simply enter the URL of the website you want to clone, and CloneBuddy AI will do the rest. It will analyze the website's structure, content, and design elements and create an exact replica in a matter of minutes. It empowers you to replicate the success of top-performing websites in a matter of minutes, giving you a head start in the competitive digital landscape. No more waiting, no more delays, just instant website creation at your fingertips. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or web developer, this is the ultimate solution to save time, reduce costs, and boost revenue. With CloneBuddy AI, you can clone, migrate, and host any website in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, enter the URL of the website you want to clone. Simply enter the URL of any website you want to clone. CloneBuddy AI will instantly replicate any websites, landing pages, funnels, stores, blogs, you name it. Step 2, customize it as per your needs with intuitive drag and drop editor. Use the drag and drop editor to quickly make any changes you need. No coding or designing skills are required. Customize in minutes and make it your own. Step 3, launch your site instantly or download the code. It's that easy. Click publish and watch CloneBuddy AI handle the rest. Host it on our servers, secure it with our SSL, drive traffic, convert leads, and manage everything with zero effort on your part. Your business website is live, automated, and ready to scale. That's it. No learning curve, no manual work, no headaches. Imagine cloning a profitable website with zero upfront cost, zero risk, and zero experience, and making $100, $200, even $500 a day without hiring anyone, learning any skills, or wasting weeks of your life. And the best part, once you have CloneBuddy AI, save time and money on website design and creation. Clone, migrate, and host any competitor's websites. Replicate the success of top-performing websites. Get a professional-grade website in minutes. Profit from any website just got easier. Fully customizable to match your brand. No coding or design skills required. CloneBuddy is your secret weapon for website creation success. It empowers you to replicate the success of others, accelerate your online growth, and achieve your digital marketing goals with ease and efficiency. CloneBuddy AI works for anyone, affiliate marketers, freelancers, coaches, local business owners, and even total beginners with zero experience. All you have to do is turn it on and it does the rest. Don't let a lack of time, resources, or technical skills hold you back from having a professional website. Choose CloneBuddy AI today and unlock the power of AI to clone your competitor's success and dominate your online presence. Why waste time and money when you can clone and launch a website like a pro? Join thousands of users already transforming their web projects with CloneBuddy AI. Now, you're probably thinking, this must cost a fortune, right? In simple words, CloneBuddy AI is priceless, leaving one job to you: profits. See, people pay thousands of dollars for developers, designers, and freelancers for website design and creation every single month. And honestly, we were going to charge $997 for CloneBuddy AI because of how much it can make and save you. But wait, we wanted to make this accessible for everyone. That's why for a limited time, you won't pay $997. You won't even pay $497. Today, you will get your hands on CloneBuddy AI for a small one-time payment less than the price of Domino's Pizza. But wait, it gets even better. If you act right now, you'll also get these incredible bonuses worth $5,000 plus absolutely free. Plus, you're 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. In case you're not satisfied with CloneBuddy AI, or if you just change your mind, we'll refund every penny back to you. So what are you waiting for? CloneBuddy AI is your chance to break free from the grind, build a profitable website that works for you, and finally achieve the financial freedom you deserve. But you have to act fast. This offer is only available for a short time, and once it's gone, after that, we are raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. So why are you waiting for? Click the button below and join the thousands of people who are already changing their lives with CloneBuddy AI. Don't miss out. Start today. We'll see you inside.